Hi, my name is Lazze and I'm teaching people in metal shaping. Welcome to Lazze's metal shaping bar. So this is something that I would like to show you what can be done if you're using your imagination and thinking outside the box. This is actually a 32 Roadster bar, and the student built the body in steel in my step 2 class, and we took that body and cut it in half, so we made half of the car. And I had a frame rail, and we took that one and we made a half frame, and we made everything in half into actually a rolling bar. So it moves. So the whole idea with this was just to have fun and make something different, because it's a little unusual that somebody taking a 32 Roadster steel body and cut it in half, because you want to drive it on the street. But this is fun, and I have one of my good buddies from Sweden here for a few months, and he was I put him to work, and he was here working on this one for a month or so, and we made a frame for the bar so we could have the desk above the 32 Roadster. We cut everything in half. So this is give you an idea what more you can actually do with this metal shaping skills that you're learning from me, that you can make something from scratch, from flat sheet metal. You don't need to buy an old car to make it into a furniture or to a bar. You can make it from scratch, and you can do it over and over and over. So this is a really fun thing, and let's take a closer look to it, what we have done to this. So first of all this stuff, the metal that you see here, was made from flat sheet metal in Lazze's English wheel, Lazze's bead roller, and Lazze's shrinker and stretcher. That's what we used for doing that. We also used the louver press to punch louvers on the trunklet here. And we made a sign here that says barn find. So it's a bar, but it's barn find 32 Roadster. We actually painted this so it looks patina, so it looks like it could be an old barn find 32 Roadster. I also found an old license plate at the swap meet that was damaged on the other half of it, and I cut that off and put it on there, so that is patina too. It's an old steel tank that I got that was worn out, but I could use it. Behind on this wall here, we have a polished stainless steel plate, so actually reflecting the full size, full width of the car. So it's all kinds of different used parts that you can use for a project like this, and you can find it at swap meets, and the parts are reasonable price for it. So let's take a look at the front and what we have done there. So here we are in the front, and the front of the car, I had some old spindles and old 46 Ford hydraulic brakes, and I bought a new I-beam, and we cut that in half so we can have half of that car. I have some other leftovers things, and I bought the wishbones, and we painted those so that all that stuff looks old as well. I bought a new grill shell and a new grill insert, and we made that in so it looks old as well. Let's take a look under the hood what we have there. I think we have some power there. So under the hood, we found a 327 Chevy small block, and we have old mechanical fuel injection on it. But of course that one is is done in the bead roller as well with a flare there, and we have another video coming about that. And we have a firewall. We cut the firewall in half. We cut the radiator in half. I had an old one that was leaking, so we cut that in half and bought some old headers from the swap meet, and we cut the motor in half, the water pump in half, this distributor in half. Everything is cut in half to make it into a bar. And when you look behind the motor, it's this polished stainless steel there as well. And there you see the reflection of the half motor, so you actually see the full V8 in it. So it's pretty cool. People love it. Everybody that have been into my shop and seen it, they love it. So I think this will open up your eyes for doing other stuff too as well, than just building cars with Lazze's technique and the equipment. On the top here, on the bar desk, we used the bead roll and polished stainless steel and put beads in this one and made that into sections and screw that into the side of that. On top here I have plastic, and under the plastic here is going to be old hot rod magazines. So when you're standing here and have a bottle of water or something else, you can see all those hot rod magazines there. So this is just an inspiration what you actually can do more with metal shaping if you think outside the box. If you want more information about my classes or my equipment, you can go to www.lazzemetalshaping.com. Thank you for watching.